The Earthshot for Revive Our Oceans goes to High Ambition Coalition for Nature and People.
Thank you all for being here. I'm extremely overwhelmed and humbled by this prize. I want to start by thanking the High Ambition Coalition's team, Odile, Jason, Demoina, Juliana, Catherine, Valentina, their families, and also my family, and I have my sister here in the room, for all the support that they give us in order to be able to continue with the work that we do. Also to thank our co-chairs, Costa Rica and France, our 120 country members and 62 organizations, especially Campaign for Nature, for nominating us. We face unprecedented extinction crisis, and we have less than 6 years in order to be able to achieve this goal of protecting at least 30% of our ocean and our land. We are fully committed, and this extraordinary prize will help us boost and scale up this goal in order to be able to support countries and government in achieving this goal by 2030. I want to thank His Royal Highness Prince William for his extraordinary commitment and leadership, and thank the entire team of Earthshot Prize for taking us through, but really wanted to thank the 14 other finalists that have become my family. I am in awe of the work that you do, and I commit to continue working tirelessly with the team of The Hack in order to make 30 by 30 a reality. Thank you very much.